We've signed an MoU with Qamia after obviously long discussions, ideation discussions with Dr. Ralph Dridi. We definitely complement each other. It's a great piece of work, I think, to be able to find a company, or basically meet a company such as Qamia in Sharjah. We've been discussing many things around quantum encryption, quantum technology, but also for more recent applications around AI and having explainable AI. I think that's one of the things that sometimes gets missed when people are creating AI products. We work a lot in the policing field, a lot in the public sector around children's services, children's safeguarding, and so what we've been asked on in many occasions is, if a AI tool is used for a prediction, if it is used to then predict a negative outcome, and the operators then intervene to stop that outcome from happening, that could obviously be something where the courts get involved if there's a defendant involved, and then the question would be asked is, why was this intervention done? So us as a technology company, we also have to be aware that there's an AI ethics and there's a data governance aspect to this. And we would stand up in court and be able to explain, look, this is why the algorithm did this, and this is how we came to this conclusion, and this is why we felt the operator had to be alerted to intervene. So working with Qamia and working with Dr. Ralph and his team, we're going to be able to bring more of that detail. Qamia in their work as well will be able to use Mahad, the localized edge data center that we have here at Sharjah Research Technology Innovation Park, and being able to then have that whole ecosystem. We are starting to now go through a number of challenge statements within the public sector and the private sector, and create those technologies, which will then need to be done by local developers, which obviously we've now got a couple on the team. They've got certain products that we are now developing, but being able to, like I say again, explain why a certain result is in a certain way, having that explainability, and make sure there's no bias within that, or the bias is detectable, is going to be part of the development work that we will do. So thanks to Qamia, and thanks to Dr. Ralph, and hopefully this is the start of a long-term relationship with many successes.